The S&P 500 continues to bore us to tears by doing nothing again today. This is Invest with Jacob. So the update today is going to be pretty short and sweet, as nothing of note really happened in the market yesterday. It opened and moved higher before giving back all of its gains and closing basically flat, as it's done several times over the last few weeks. We are, however, watching a downside setup, and we'll get into that in just 1 minute. But first, if you're new here, welcome to the show, guys. My name is Jacob Gabbard, and this is Invest with Jacob. I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get our daily S&P updates, our trade setups, and our buy alerts. Okay, so there is a downside setup that we're watching. The daily candles are pretty ugly, and they do point to a move down. As I said yesterday, the best way to complete this structure is to have a pullback complete wave 2 so that we can build off a solid Elliott Wave structure and have wave 3 moving forward. However, until the market proves it can pull back and do that, we are stuck in this channel. So the easiest way to look at this is to take a look at the charts, so let's jump in and take a look. Okay guys, so nothing really happened in the 5-minute and the micro setting, so we're going to look at the daily setting here so that you can see what I'm talking about for this downside setup. You can see the move up, and then a few days ago we had this falling star right here, this 5 candle. This 6 candle is also a falling star, and then the 7 candle is a doji. So we're getting a rounded top that lines up for a pullback here. Every time the bulls have tried to spike it higher the last few days, the bears have pulled it back down into and toward the bottom of the range. If the bulls don't make their move very soon, that support is going to break, and that would be ideal for us because then we could have a full 5-wave structure up with a wave 2 pullback here. As I said yesterday, this is a 3-wave structure up, and that is not a clean setup for Elliott Wave. It is possible to have a 3-wave structure as a wave 1 and an ending diagonal. It's just not what we're looking for and super unreliable to trade. So all we can do now is watch the channel and see if the bears can finally break that support zone to get our pullback that we're looking for. If we do get that pullback, the target will be about 4170 to 4150, and we'll look to enter the market there and go long. That would be an ideal setup for a wave 3 move up, and that's what we're really looking to trade. And if you want to know in real time when that trade happens and what exactly we are trading, you need to get in my Facebook group. There's a link down in the description. The only requirement to join is that you subscribe to my channel. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel, get in my Facebook group, and then jump on our Slack channel. That's our chat group. It's all free. There's no charge. And I tell you all of our trade setups, what we're trading, when we're buying, and when we're selling. I also give market updates on there of where I think the market is going, what we're looking for, and the key levels of the day. So check out that link below, get in the Facebook group. We would love to have you on the channel. Okay guys, so key takeaways for tomorrow are basically the same as yesterday. We're watching the channel. We need a sustained break down into this 4170 to 4150 range to get our pullback. Otherwise, if they break out to the high side, we're looking at a very choppy trading environment that will be very difficult for us to get on board with as they try to poke it up here in a back and forth movement up to 4350 or so before a major pullback happens. So that's the update for today. Unfortunately, since the market is boring, we don't have any imminent trades unless the market finally pulls back and breaks down to the low side into our target box here where we will look to enter. Happy trading. I will talk to you tomorrow.